The Kettlebell Windmill improves shoulder stability, core strength, and mobility while targeting the obliques, glutes, hamstrings, and shoulders. It also helps enhance hip flexibility and overall body coordination. Here's how to do it correctly. Place the kettlebell in front of you between your legs on the ground. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Engage your core to stabilize your body. Then pick up the kettlebell with one hand and press it overhead, locking your arm out straight. Turn your front foot on the side, holding the kettlebell out at a 45-degree angle with your back foot also turned outward. Keep your wrist strong with the kettlebell balanced directly over your shoulder. Inhale as you lower down to shift your hips back toward the side of your back leg. Slowly lower your torso sideways, keeping your eyes fixed on the kettlebell above without rounding your back or losing tension in your core. Let your free arm glide down your front leg, reaching toward your ankle or the floor for balance. Keep your chest open and your back straight throughout the movement. Your top arm holding the kettlebell should remain locked out and stable. Exhale as you push through your hips and use your obliques to return to the starting position while keeping the kettlebell overhead and your core tight. Repeat all the reps on one side, then switch sides and repeat. Click like and subscribe for more exercise demonstration videos.